Did you know that your diet can impact your productivity by a whopping 20%? This is true. Your productivity is not just about energy, but the quality of energy your body gets from food. A healthy breakfast, staying hydrated, and choosing the right meals can significantly improve your efficiency at work. So if you're focused on increasing your productivity, it's time to take a closer look at what's on your plate. Today, we're comparing the effectiveness of 5 popular diet plans that are loved by some of the most productive people out there. First, the keto diet. It's a low-carb, high-fat plan that burns fat for fuel. Great for weight loss, though not suitable for everyone. Then there's the paleo diet that promotes eating like our ancestors. It prioritizes lean meats, fish, fruits, and vegetables, but might feel restrictive. Next is the vegan diet. No animal products here. Ethically oriented, it's beneficial for heart health, yet requires careful planning for balanced nutrition. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. It's linked to heart health and longevity, but may be expensive due to its focus on fresh ingredients. Lastly, intermittent fasting. It's more about when you eat. It can boost energy and productivity, but isn't suitable for everyone. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, vouches for it. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to diet plans. What works for one might not work for another. Now that you're aware of the top 5 diet plans, it's time to make a choice. Each plan has unique benefits fitting into different lifestyles and health conditions. Consider your schedule, health, and personal preference. Maybe you're a busy individual requiring a tailored nutritional balance, or you have dietary restrictions. Consult with a healthcare professional for insights about the most suitable plan for you. Trendy diets aren't always the best. Choose a plan aligning with your health goals and lifestyle. Remember, the best diet is the one that you can stick to in the long run. What's your diet? Please put in the comment section.